Hey guys, thought I'd do a review today on a multi-tool I bought a couple months back. It's made by Ozark Trail. It was only $4 at Walmart, so I don't really expect much of it. But this is the sheet that came with it. It's okay. This is the multi-tool itself. It's got a serrated edge, small flathead screwdriver, medium-sized flathead screwdriver, file, needle nose pliers. There's a little spring right here. Bottle top opener / can opener, Phillips head screwdriver, a small mini knife / awl, and fine edge. Don't really expect much out of it. When I got it, all the blades on it were pretty much dull. The fine edge, it took some work, but I got it somewhat sharp to the point to where I could actually use it. But again, it doesn't do a good job. So that's that. It will cut through paracord at least. So that'll at least work. As for the back of it, I really wouldn't suggest trying to strike anything off it because the edges are fairly rounded, so you're not going to get anything. And then on top of that, it'll actually go forward because there's no locking mechanism. And so I would just avoid that. The serrated edge, it actually is pretty dull because as you can see, I can press it against my thumb. I can run my thumb along against it. Nothing's happening. And I'm actually pressing down on this, so it's not cutting me. So if you're gonna use it, you have to sharpen it up. The file, it's an okay file, it works. You could always use it to throw sparks, pretty much. But you won't be able to do it with anything else on this. So that's about it. As for the bottle top opener and can opener, I would assume they work, but I'll go ahead and give it a try anyways. So here's an empty can, and I'll try opening it. So, I think it shows, but so far the can opener actually works, so I would assume the bottle top opener and everything else works also, but this is something I wouldn't really ever use unless I was in a bind and I had nothing else left. But for anything pretty much light duty or whatnot, it should work and get the job done for the most part. It's a little more on a smaller size. Smaller side. Here's a size comparison with my Leatherman Surge, so it's a little bit smaller. But I guess for $4 it's worth it. Anyway, thanks for watching.